It's time to take control of your fishing adventures. Introducing the Go Anywhere, Do Anything HawkEye FishTrax Fish Finders. With all anglers in mind, HawkEye has packed these fish finders with the ultimate fish finding features. After one press of the power button, they instantly deliver fish, bottom contour, bottom composition, water depth, and water temperature readings. Each model incorporates a glare-free VirtuView display, a floatable, trollable, and boat-mountable transducer, and is powered by 4 AAA batteries, resulting in 30 hours of battery life. Integrated into a waterproof housing, the FishTrax series has set the standard for portability and versatility. The FishTrax 1C is for experienced anglers who demand a high-definition fishing experience. It incorporates a full-color, high-definition VirtuView TFTN display and has 3 operating modes: Fish Finder, Data, and Ice Mode Digital Flasher. The Fish Finder mode identifies the presence of fish, bottom contour and composition, and the overall depth of the water on the HD color display. The Data mode enlarges depth, temperature, and battery voltage readings so they are easy to read from several feet away. The Ice Mode Digital Flasher gives you real-time FishTrax sonar echoes like a traditional flasher. Perfect for targeting suspended fish while ice fishing. The FishTrax 1C also incorporates user-selectable dual-beam FishTrax Intelligent Sonar, which allows fine-tuning of the fish finder to adapt to any fishing style or platform. It has a 100-level sensitivity adjustment, multi-level depth ranges, and auto-zoom bottom tracking. Integrated fish and depth alarms intensify prey targeting. Whether you fish from a boat, kayak, or canoe, from the shoreline or on the ice, you'll find a FishTrax fish finder that is perfectly adapted to your needs. Every FishTrax has built-in expandability that easily allows the addition of accessories to adapt to any fishing platform. From suction cup display brackets to kayak and boat transducer mounts and ice shack soft cases for ice fishing. Expandability gives fishing enthusiasts unmatched versatility. FishTrax fish finders will go from kayak to dock to boat and onto the ice in winter without the use of costly tools or complicated hardware installations. Every FishTrax fish finder is backed by HawkEye's industry-leading 2-year warranty. Try one today and experience the limitless versatility of HawkEye FishTrax fish finders.